ओम 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 ओम। आज हम सभी यहाँ एकत्रित हैं एक बहुत ही सुंदर व्यक्तित्व, एक प्रेरणादायी जीवन को स्मरण करने के लिए। स्वर्गीय श्री आलापाटी वेंकटेश्वरा राव जी, who was affectionately known as श्री A.V. राव जी। आज हम सभी, उनका परिवार, संबंधी जन, मित्र जन सभी यहाँ एकत्रित हैं। परमपिता परमेश्वर से उनकी आत्मा की शांति और सद्गति की प्रार्थना करेंगे। साथ ही उस प्रभु के नाम का सुमिरन करते हुए परिवार के लिए धैर्य और शक्ति की प्रार्थना करेंगे। जो क्षति परिवार को हुई है उसको ईश्वर उन्हें शक्ति दे, इस दुख को झेलने की हिम्मत प्रदान करें। आइए अगले कुछ समय के लिए हम भजनों के माध्यम से अपनी भावमयी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करेंगे। सभी से प्रार्थना है, सभी अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन्स को साइलेंट मोड पर डाल लेंगे। अपने स्थान पर एक बार सब सीधे बैठ जाएंगे, अपनी आँखों को बंद कर लेंगे और मिलकर के महामृत्युंजय मंत्र से आज की इस प्रार्थना सभा को हम प्रारंभ करेंगे। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनात् मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। तो आज जिस पर्सनालिटी को हम याद कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही हम्बल जनरस पर्सनालिटी, सभी के लिए वो एक इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं। उनका जीवन सभी को इंस्पायर करता रहा है। आज हम सभी मिलकर के परमपिता परमेश्वर से दिवंगत आत्मा की शांति की प्रार्थना करेंगे। अगले कुछ समय के लिए हम भजनों के माध्यम से अपनी स्वरांजलि प्रस्तुत करेंगे। तो आइए इस पहले भजन में हम उस प्रभु श्री राम को याद करते हुए कि आज पूरा देश ही नहीं, पूरा विश्व राममय हुआ है, तो मिलकर के हम उस प्रभु राम की स्तुति को से आज इस प्रार्थना सभा को प्रारंभ करेंगे। श्री राम श्री राम श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजमन हरन भव भय दारुणम्। श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भजमन हरन भव भय दारुणम्। नवकंजलोचन कंजमुख कर कंजपद कंजारुणम्। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। कंदर्प गणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरम्। पटपीतमानहु तरित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम्। श्री राम श्री राम
श्री राम
भज दीन बंधु दीनेश दानव दैत्य वंशनी कंदनम्। रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम्। श्री राम, सभी बोलिए श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। सिर मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदारु अंग विभूषणम्। आजानु भुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित घर दूर शङ्कर शेष मुनि मनरञ्जनं मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादिखल दल गञ्जनं श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरन भव भय दारुणं नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्ज मुख कर कञ्ज पद कञ्जारुणं श्रीराम 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 श्रीराम। तो जैसा कि वो एक शक्ति संसार को चला रही है, उसको सुमिरन करने के अलग अलग सुंदर नाम हैं। आइए इस अगले भजन में हम उस सुंदर कृष्ण नाम का सुमिरन करेंगे। आप सभी से प्रार्थना है कि जो भी मेहमान आज आए हैं वो कृपया पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करते हुए अपने स्थान पर बैठेंगे और इस सभा के बाद परिवार से आप सभी मिल सकते हैं। अभी कृपया सभी शांत पूर्वक अपने स्थान पर ही बैठें। भजनों के दौरान हम सभी इस समय को यूटिलाइज करते हुए उस प्रभु का ही नाम लेंगे केवल, और इस सभा के बाद आप सभी आपस में मिलेंगे। अभी अपने स्थान पर ही शांत पूर्वक बैठेंगे। तो आइए अगले भजन में उस कृष्ण नाम का सुमिरन करेंगे। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे,
मात स्वामी सखा हमारे।
हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। आज हम सभी श्री ए वी राव जी को याद कर रहे हैं, जिनका जीवन एक इंस्पिरेशन रहा है। जितनी भी लाइफ्स को उन्होंने टच किया है, एक सुगंधी, एक खुशबू छोड़ करके बहुत सारी अच्छी यादें, बहुत सारी मेमोरीज वो छोड़ करके गए हैं। उन्होंने अपने जीवन में एजुकेशन की इम्पोर्टेंस को बहुत समझा है और अपनी फैमिली को वो सभी अच्छी वैल्यूज़, अच्छी एजुकेशन दे करके संस्कारित किया है। आज उनके जाने के बाद हम प्रभु से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनके बच्चों को वो शक्ति दे कि श्री ए वी राव जी की लेगेसी को वो आगे ले जा सके, उनके दिखाए मार्ग पर उनका परिवार चल सके। आइए अगले भजन में हम उस प्रभु के दो सुंदर नामों को सुमिरन करेंगे। जग में सुंदर हैं दो नाम, दो नाम, दो नाम। जग में सुंदर हैं दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। सभी बोलिए राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। माखन ब्रिज में एक चुरावे, माखन ब्रिज में एक चुरावे, एक बेर भिलनी के खावे। माखन ब्रिज में एक चुरावे, एक बेर भिलनी के खावे। प्रेम भाव से, प्रेम भाव से भरे अनोखे दोनों के हैं काम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलिए राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। एक राधिका के संग राजे, एक राधिका के संग राजे, एक जानकी संग विराजे। एक राधिका के संग राजे, एक जानकी संग विराजे। चाहे सीता राम कहो, चाहे सीता राम कहो, या बोलो राधे श्याम। चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम, जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम राम राम, बोलो श्याम श्याम श्याम। 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 आज जिस पर्सनालिटी को हम याद कर रहे हैं, श्री ए वी राव जी, अपने आप में उनका जीवन एक लेजेंडरी जीवन रहा है। सभी उनको एक लेजेंड के तौर पर, एक इंस्पिरेशन के तौर पर उनका जीवन सभी के लिए एक मिसाल है कि किस प्रकार से एक सेल्फ मेड मैन, वो सभी मेहनत, वो स्ट्रगल से उभरते हुए उन्होंने अपने जीवन में गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज से एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो जर्नी उनकी रही है, वो सभी के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन है। आज हम यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं, हम सभी अपनी ट्रिब्यूट्स, अपनी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करने के लिए, साथ ही उनके जीवन की क्वालिटीज़ को याद करने के लिए, जो जर्नी उनकी रही है उस जर्नी को हम याद करने आए हैं, उनसे प्रेरणा लेने आए हैं। तो जिस प्रकार उन्होंने अपने जीवन में कर्म योगी की तरह, कर्म प्रधान जीवन हमारा है ये मनुष्य जीवन। भगवद गीता में श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, नैनम छिंदन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनम दहति पावकः न चैनम क्लेदयन्ति आपो न शोषयति मारुतः, कि जो आत्मा है ये अजर और अमर है, इसे ना ही कोई शस्त्र काट सकता है, ना ही आग जला सकती है, ना पानी इसे गीला कर सकता है और ना हवा इसे सुखा सकती है। श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, जिस प्रकार हम अपने पुराने वस्त्रों को छोड़कर नए वस्त्र धारण करते हैं, वैसे ही ये आत्मा एक शरीर को छोड़कर दूसरे शरीर को धारण करती है। ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये जो हमने मानव शरीर पहना है, हमारा इस जन्म का कॉस्ट्यूम है। हम जन्म लेते हैं, हमारा बर्थ होता है, हम कॉस्ट्यूम पहनते हैं, अपने डिफरेंट रोल्स अदा करते हैं और फिर कॉस्ट्यूम को चेंज करते हैं। तो हम प्रभु से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि जो आगे की जर्नी श्री ए वी राव जी की है, वो आगे की जर्नी उनकी सुखद हो, उनकी आत्मा जहाँ कहीं भी हो, प्रभु अपने चरणों में उन्हें सद्गति प्रदान करें। तो आइए अगले भजन में महाकवि कबीरदास जी ने बहुत ही सुंदर शब्दों में कहा है, आइए उनके दोहों के माध्यम से इस भजन को हम सुनते हैं। रे म पनी सारे नी ध प पनी सारे नी ध प ब ध म ग रे प म रे ग नी सा। कबीरा जब हम पैदा हुए, जग हंसे हम रोए, ऐसी करनी कर चलो हम हंसे जग रोए। चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी, चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी, राम नाम रस भीनी, चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी, राम नाम रस भीनी, चदरिया झीनी रे झीनी। अष्ट कमल का चरखा बनाया, पांच तत्व की पूनी चदरिया, पांच तत्व की पूनी। अष्ट कमल का चरखा बनाया, पांच तत्व की पूनी। 9 10 ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामानि ओढ़ी, शुकदेव निर्मल कीनी। दास कबीर ने ऐसी ओढ़ी, दास कबीर ने ऐसी ओढ़ी कि जो कि तू कर दीनी छदरिया। जीनी रे जीनी के राम नाम रस भीनी छदरिया। जीनी रे जीनी, जीनी रे जीनी, जीनी रे जीनी। तो आइए अगले भजन में हम उस सुंदर प्रभु के कृष्ण नाम का सुमिरन करते हुए उस प्रभु को याद करेंगे। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम। राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम। राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं। वीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, वीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम। राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं। माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतं केशवं
कृष्ण दामोदरम।
राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। नाम जपते चलो काम करते चलो, नाम जपते चलो काम करते चलो। हर समय कृष्ण का ध्यान करते चलो, समय कृष्ण का ध्यान करते चलो, हर समय कृष्ण का ध्यान करते चलो। तो जैसा कि हम प्रभु के नाम से, उसके सुमिरन से अपनी आत्मा को, देखिए जो हमारा शरीर का भोजन, हम शरीर के लिए तो भोजन खाते हैं इसको चलाने के लिए, मगर जो हमारी आत्मा का भोजन है वो अच्छे विचार, उस प्रभु का नाम है। तो आज हम सभी यहाँ एकत्रित हैं एक स्थान पर, हम सभी की जो कलेक्टिव प्रेयर्स है, हम सभी अपनी पॉजिटिविटी उस डिवाइन सोल तक पहुँचाने के लिए आज यहाँ एक स्थान पर आए हैं। ये हमारा जो पर्पस होता है प्रेयर मीटिंग्स में आने का, कि एक तो हम अपने कलेक्टिव प्रेयर्स उस डिवाइन सोल तक पहुंचाते हैं, और दूसरा जिस पर्सनालिटी को हम याद कर रहे हैं उनकी जीवन से कोई ना कोई एक क्वालिटी हम सीख करके जाएं। ये जो हमारी पर्पस है आज इसको हम पूरा करें। हम सभी मिलकर के अगले भजन में प्रेम और श्रद्धा से उस सुंदर राम नाम का सुमिरन करेंगे। पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, तो आज हम सभी प्रिय श्री A.V. राव जी को स्मरण कर रहे हैं, जिनके जीवन में वो सभी रोल्स को उन्होंने बखूबी अदा करते हुए एक ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर के रूप में भी उन्होंने अपने रोल्स को अदा किया है। और सोशली इस समाज को जो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो सभी के दिलों में वो एक इंस्पिरेशन के तौर पे हमेशा ही विद्यमान रहेगा। ये सत्य है कि आज फिजिकली वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, उनका चित्र हमारे सामने है और एक बहुत ही बड़ा चित्र आप सभी के दिलों में और जितनी भी लाइव्स को उन्होंने छुआ है उन सभी के दिलों में विद्यमान रहेगा। हम प्रभु से ये प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं कि उनकी आत्मा जहाँ कहीं भी हो, प्रभु उन्हें शांति प्रदान करे, सद्गति प्रदान करे। आइए अगले भजन में हम उस सुंदर सिया राम का सुमिरन करेंगे। सीताराम 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 कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम, ताहि विधि रहिए। सीताराम 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 कहिए, सीताराम 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 कहिए, जाहि विधि राखे राम, ताहि विधि रहिए। जाहि विधि राखे राम, ताहि विधि रहिए। मुख में हो राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में। मुख में हो राम नाम, राम सेवा हाथ में। नहीं तू अकेला प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में। नहीं तू अकेला प्यारे, राम तेरे साथ में। विधि का विधान जान, हानि लाभ सही। विधि का विधान जान, हानि लाभ सही। जाहि विधि राखे राम, ताहि विधि रहिए। जाहि विधि राखे राम, ताहि विधि रहिए। आइए एक बार सभी इस सभागार में जो भी एकत्रित है, हम मिलकर के उस सिया राम का नाम प्रेम से लेंगे। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। जॉइन अस। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। सिया राम जय जय राम। सिया राम जय जय। तो आइए अंत में हम सभी प्रभु के अलग अलग सुंदर नामों के जाप के माध्यम से उस प्रभु को याद करेंगे। और जो भी मेमोरीज आपकी प्रिय श्री A.V. राव जी के साथ रही हैं, मैं सभी से प्रार्थना करूंगी कि सभी अपने स्थान पर सीधे बैठ जाएंगे, अपनी आंखों को बंद कर लेंगे और उन सभी मेमोरीज को हम रिकॉल करेंगे जो भी आपने उनके साथ समय बिताया है, जो मेमोरीज आपने क्रिएट की हैं, और मिल कर के हम उस प्रभु के नाम का जाप करेंगे। हे राम हे सभी बोलिए हे राम हे राम। तू ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता तू ही पिता है, तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम। हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम। गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, सभी साथ में चैंटिंग करेंगे। गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो, श्री राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो। गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो, श्री राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो। गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय, राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय, श्री राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे। हम सभी ने भजनों के माध्यम से अपनी भावमयी सुरांजलि प्रिय श्री एक A.V. राव जी के प्रति अर्पित की। उनका परिवार, संबंधी जन, मित्रजन सभी यहाँ एकत्रित हुए। अपने पीछे जो एक संस्कारित संपन्न परिवार वो छोड़ करके गए हैं, मैं फैमिली मेंबर्स के नाम आपके मध्य लेना चाहूँगी। जैसे कि वी ऑल नो वी आर हियर टू रिमेंबर स्वर्गीय श्री आलापाटी वेंकटेश्वरा राव जी। उनके पीछे जो उनका परिवार है, सन एंड डॉटर इन लॉ मिस्टर कृष्ण मोहन आलापाटी जी एंड मिसेस माधवी जी, अनदर सन मिस्टर प्रवीण कुमार आलापाटी जी एंड मिसेस बिंदु जी, डॉटर मिसेस उषा जी, सन इन लॉ मिस्टर मुकेश जैन जी, ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन दिव्या एंड शुभम हांडा, grandchildren Soumya, Aditya, Anshika, Anya and Pallavi, grandchildren Karthik and Rachita Jain, Rama Rao Magaluri ji, and great grandson Krishiv. Now I would like to invite Mr. So we have a slideshow person. So we have a video that is created by the family.
Sri Alapati Venkateshwara Rao, affectionately known as A.V. Rao, stands as a remarkable figure, a visionary with humble beginnings who carved an extraordinary path through entrepreneurship and dedicated community service. From his modest childhood to the heights of his self-made success, his journey is a powerful testament to the enduring spirit of resilience and determination. His life embodies the belief that a journey is continuous, resonating with the enduring impact of a visionary's timeless odyssey. Sri A.V. Rao, born on February 15, 1936, to Sri Alapati Venkatapayya and Srimati Rangamma in Prasangalapadu, a remote village in Prakasham district, Andhra Pradesh. He encountered hardship early in life, losing his father at the age of 3. Raised by his resilient mother, Srimati Rangamma, and supported by maternal family, Sri Shanka Venkata Swami and Sri Sanka Venkaya, he embarked on a journey with limited resources but an unwavering determination. A tireless pursuit of education marked the years from 1941 to 1958 as Sri A.V. Rao demonstrated his unwavering commitment to education. Deeply believing that education could uplift him from hardship, he prioritized learning due to his poor financial background. His story is not just a narrative of determination and resilience, but also a legendary inspiration, a beacon of transformative power of education. From class 8th onwards, his educational path led him to Ravi Nutala, requiring an 8 kilometers one-way daily walk. Class 9th and 10th brought him to Tadavarti Bapaya High School in Dhulipudi. For class 11th, he moved to a location near Repalle in Andhra Pradesh and completed the rest of his intermediate education at SRR and CVR Degree College in Vijayawada. After earning his BA degree in Nellore, he secured a job at the Postal Department, receiving a modest salary of ₹80 per month. Despite facing financial constraints, Sri A.V. Rao's determination to pursue further education shone through. His exceptional academic performance earned him 100% scholarship at the prestigious Agra Raja Balwant Singh College for an MA in Economics, History and Political Science, opening doors to new opportunities in North India. In 1959, he dedicated 9 months to civil coaching in New Delhi. He got through his written exams but did not clear his final interview, as destiny held even grander plans for him. Embarking on his career journey in 1960, he joined the National Council for Applied Research NCAR, New Delhi, dedicating a year to contribute to the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam project. In 1961, he shifted gears, becoming part of the State Trading Corporation, where he worked for another year. The years 1962 to 1968 saw him at the Directorate of General of Foreign Trade, DGFT, in New Delhi, showcasing his versatility and dynamism. He got transferred to Western Zone, situated near VT Station in Mumbai for 2 years before returning to Delhi. He underwent transfers from DGFT to the Home and Finance Ministries. In 1961, Destiny brought Sita Mahalakshmi into his life, a constant pillar of support in both personal and professional journeys. While working at NCAR, he visited Ponnur on an official visit where he visited the famous Sri Ram temple and saw Sita Mahalakshmi and approached her father, Sri Chandrapati Subbarao Garu, through common relatives. Initially hesitant to send his daughter far away, the father eventually agreed after much persuasion. On the auspicious day of March 31st, 1961, they both got married, blessed with a daughter, Usha Rani, in 1962, followed by their eldest son, Krishna Mohan, in 1964, and youngest son, Praveen Kumar, in 1966. A family of 6, A.V. Rao, Sita Mahalakshmi, his mother, and the children lived in a rented one-room car garage in Karol Bagh, New Delhi, turning it into a space of love. In 1970, Sri A.V. Rao made a bold decision to leave government services and become an entrepreneur. This marked the beginning of new vision and new mission. He founded Southern Travels with a nominal investment of Rs 10,000 out of his savings to offer travel services to those traveling from South to North India. Each day, this vision and mission flourished within him, creating a legendary journey of courage and foresight. Sita Mahalakshmi, his wife, stood as his greatest supporter and pillar in life. She seamlessly managed the family and shared the responsibilities at work. Together, they positively touched and impacted the lives of many. Subsequently, his brother-in-law, Sri Chandrapati Koteshwara Rao, joined the business, offering steadfast support and becoming an additional pillar of strength. In the early days, Sri A.V. Rao faced many hurdles and hardships, queuing at railway stations for hours to secure train tickets and navigating challenges in arranging transportation and accommodation for tourists. Yet, his unwavering determination, dedication, and conviction propelled him forward, driving his mission to new heights. His visionary path continued in 1974 with the purchase of the first 50-seater bus with the help of Vijaya Bank to initiate package tours to Delhi and Agra. In 1978, recognizing the need for accommodation for South Indian tourists visiting Delhi, he purchased his first hotel with the help of Vaisya Bank. In 1988 and 1991, his sons Sri A. Krishna Mohan and Sri A. Venkata Praveen joined as directors. Together, they embody a legacy of dedication and innovation, propelling the company to new heights. In subsequent years, under dynamic leadership of Sri A.V. Rao, Southern Travels flourished, establishing a nationwide network of retail branches and a fleet of owned vehicles. Hotels became a vital addition with total inventory of 225 keys in Delhi, Vijayawada, Jaipur, and Varanasi. In 1998, he expanded the Southern Group internationally by opening an Indian restaurant named Palki in Durban, South Africa. Sri A.V. Rao's commitment to service extended beyond tourism, established Andhra Stores, now known as Southern Supermarket, catering to the needs of South Indians residing in Delhi NCR. 2000 and 2001 were difficult years for Sri A.V. Rao. He lost his brother-in-law in 2000, and within less than a year, he lost his wife. The untimely demise of both left him and the family shattered. Sita Mahalakshmi, his true Ardhangini, had walked every step with him since 1961 and laid the foundation of their family and business brick by brick through hard work and determination. Post the demise, Sri A.V. Rao assumed the roles of both father and mother, becoming the strongest pillar for the family. Despite these unfortunate incidents, he continued on the journey of making a positive difference in society. Sri A.V. Rao extended his influence beyond business, holding key honorary positions in prestigious organizations that exemplify his leadership. Trustee at Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's Trust Board, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Chairman at Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. Director at Vaisya Bank. member at Central Board of Film Censors, chairman at governing body of Sri Venkateshwara College, New Delhi. Amidst the political turmoil of 1984, when N.T. Ramarao faced political upheaval, a new chapter unfolded for Sri A.V. Rao. Despite the risk from ruling party at centre, he boldly extended his support to arrange accommodation and transport for 180 MLAs of Telugu Desam Party in Delhi. This act of generosity not only played a crucial role during the critical period faced by NTR and his party, but also forged a strong connection between Sri A.V. Rao and Sri N.T. Ramarao. This remarkable episode, a testament to Sri A.V. Rao's courage, found its way into NTR's biopic. Received numerous awards, including the prestigious National Tourism Award consecutively for 8 times, and twice the award was conferred by the Honorable President of India. Recently, he was honored with the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award, a recognition that stands as a testament to his decades of exceptional contributions and leadership. Additionally, he received another accolade at the NTR Centenary, further solidifying his remarkable legacy in the industry. May the story of Sri A.V. Rao inspire us to chase our dreams with unwavering determination. His journey teaches us that even humble beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements, an impact that lives in the hearts of those he influenced, a legacy encouraging us to dream big in every sense. He is a true legend.
So that was indeed a beautiful journey of Shri A.V. Rao ji. Now we have few speakers. First of all, I would like to call Mr. Subhash Goel ji.
What a legend. I knew Mr. A.V. Rao, that he was a great man, but I didn't know. I think I must compliment Mohan and Praveen and the family for having made such a nice video or sketch of his life. I think lives of self-made man do inspire us that we all can make our lives sublime. Starting from a scratch, he built an empire, and not only he built an empire, but everyone in the industry respected him. The entire association of hoteliers and travel agents in Karol Bagh and whole of Delhi had a lot of respect for him. And he always thought of the community first, then himself. Now, this is the quality of A.V. Rao. I do remember when he became the chairman of Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation, and I was president of the All India Tour Operators Association. He said, Subhash, let us do something for Andhra Pradesh. And he had so many ideas, like a little child. He was full of, enthusiasm, full of life. He even took me to Andhra Bhavan and made me meet the tourism minister and I think the then CM and all. So he was so committed, not only for his family, but also for the community and also for Andhra. I think when you have a mission in life, then even God helps you. You see, his whole idea of trying to serve the people coming from South India, they had so much difficulty in, doing sightseeing of Delhi and then, even going to Agra. There were a lot of people who used to rip off people. But he developed a service that was reliable, honest and trustworthy. And this is how he built his empire. And whatever, he was so well connected that I remember when we went to Jaipur for the inauguration of the hotel, the then civil aviation minister was there. And even recently when we celebrated in Lalit Hotel, the Golden Jubilee 50 years, the tourism minister was there. So whether it was Chandrababu Naidu or it was the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh or the tourism ministers in center, or the lowest person who was working as a driver or as a PM, the way you treat the smallest of the small people shows your greatness. So he was truly a great man. And I think not only the Rao family, but the entire industry has lost a legend. A.V. Rao ji, we all remember you, we love you, we respect you, and we have the highest respect and regard for you. And all of us, we pray to God to give courage to Mohan Praveen and the children and the grandchildren and the great-grandchild, enough strength to bear this irreparable loss. Om Shanti Om.
Now we have Mr. A.D.N. Rao ji, who would be speaking few words. Mr. A.D.N. Rao ji.
Separation is a wound which nobody can heal. But remembrance is a feeling which nobody can steal. And probably that is the reason why these prayer meetings are held, so that we can remember the departed soul. As has been informed to you, Mr. A.V. Rao came to Delhi as a central government employee. He was one of the earliest inhabitants of Delhi, and had he stuck to his government service, probably he would have retired and gone and lost in oblivion. But God has something else in store for him. And he was a man, as it is said, that if you have to succeed in life, we have to learn every day. And here was a gentleman who learnt every day. And he saw the problems of the people coming down from the south, what they missed in Delhi. And so he tried to recoup that by getting them things which they needed in Delhi. His vision made him see that it is not only the people who are South Indians who are missing in North, but there is a lot of things which North Indians are missing about the South. That made him, realize, and that is why I call him, he is a man who introduced North to the South and South to the North. He not only made the travels and tourist industry a mission, which he did. He led the hospitality industry, for which they are now known all over. He was a man, who knew great importance to the education. Probably that's because of the way hard he succeeded in life. He gave a lot of importance to education and he loved people to strive to work hard in life. And that's why, today God gave him all the opportunities and God gave him the opportunity to serve the God also by making him the member of the TTD board. Today, one request, as I have seen him from my younger days, I have seen his family has been his backbone. Be his wife, Lakshmi Garu, be his brother-in-law, Koteshwar Rao, who worked together in the initial days. And today also one of his members, Mr. M. Ramarao, has been his backbone, apart from the family which one supposed to. But one thing which I can say is looking at his accomplished life, where he has seen his children grow, establish the industry which he had nurtured, laid the foundations, that they should carry his spirit forward by at least putting up a seat in the educational schools, which would give empathy to the poor people to come up in life. I can only say that God give his soul the peace and Om Shanti.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Anand Shastri ji.
Namaskaram. Rao Garu, I know Mr. Rao from almost for about 5 decades. As soon as he thought of starting his own business, almost I am associated with him for all his financial planning. He used to make his own planning and confirm it, reconfirm it. He's a great man. Not only he, his wife, Lakshmi Garu, she worked so hard. So she used to be there. If you think, in the hotel, every moment she is there. They originally started at their Andhra store. She was associated with Mr. Rao is a very composed person, and he will discuss on any topic. You talk to him, any political topic, any non-political topic, any religious topic, he will discuss for hours. I liked him for, I can say, he's a legend by himself, and we all started with no money, but he used to target his matters and achieve them. So I pray for his. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Mr. Mukesh Mittal ji.
అందరికీ नमस्कारलू। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे जो पूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति हैं उनका मैसेज ऐसे महामहिम जो टूरिज्म मिनिस्ट्री की हस्ती थी उनके लिए आया है, वो मैं सुनाऊंगा, उसके बाद मैं मेरी बात कहूँगा। Dear Shri Krishna Mohan ji, I was deeply saddened to hear of the demise of Shri Venkateshwar Rao Garu, whom I have known for many years. He combined his business acumen, pragmatism, vision, and foresight with integrity, kindness, and compassion. This is a rare blend of virtues in today's world. We will all miss his presence deeply, but I also know that his ideals will guide the vision of the organization which he built with such diligence and dedication. May his Atma attain Sadgati Om Shanti. This is a message from उपराष्ट्रपति जी जो पहले थे वेंकट नायडू जी थी. मैं ऐसी महान हस्ती को 2010 जुलाई से जानता हूँ. जब मैं इनसे पहली बार मिला, मैं जब मिल के आधे घंटे मेरे साथ रहे और ऐसा लगा कि किसी हस्ती से मिल रहा हूँ मैं. उसके बाद लगातार मैं हर साल 2 बार 3 बार उनसे मिलता रहा, पर ऐसी हस्ती मैंने आज तक न देखी न सुनी, जिन्होंने टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री को नए आयाम दिए, पूरे परिवार को साथ रखा, और न केवल परिवार को साथ रखा अपितु जहाँ जहाँ उनकी जरूरत पड़ी, तो मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री हो, चाहे साउथ हो चाहे नॉर्थ हो, जहाँ जहाँ हमारे राव साहब की जरूरत पड़ी वो सदैव हाजिर रहे, और उन्होंने कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ाने में, नॉर्थ साउथ को मिलाने में, साउथ नॉर्थ को मिलाने में. मेरी तो भगवान से प्रार्थना है ऐसे हस्ती जो मोहन जी और प्रवीण जी को उन्होंने जो संस्कार दिए हैं वो रियल संस्कार दिए हैं और वो इस इंडस्ट्री को आगे बढ़ाए, ऐसी मेरी प्रार्थना है. धन्यवाद लो, धन्यवाद. ओम शांति.
Now next we have Mr. Katakam ji.
సంతాప సభకు విచ్చేసిన అన్నలకు, అమ్మలకు, చెల్లెండ్లకు నమస్కారం. ఆలపాటి వెంకటేశ్వరరావు గారు ఢిల్లీ పట్టణానికి ఉద్యోగం కొరకు వచ్చి ఈనాడు అత్యున్నతమైనటువంటి స్థానానికి ఎదగటానికి ఆయన ఓర్పు, ఆయన స్థానం, ఆయన ఔదార్యం, ఆయన మేధాశక్తి, అందరితో కలిసి పనిచేసే భాగ్యం, అందరూ మన్నలను అందుకున్నటువంటి ఒక త్యాగశీలిగా ఈనాడు మీ అందరి ముందు ఒక ఆత్మజ్యోతిగా అందరూ మనసుల్లో నిలిచినటువంటి ప్రఖ్యాత ఏవి రావు గారు. ఇంకొక విషయం ఏమిటంటే, ఆయన ఒక సామాన్యుడిగా ఉద్యోగం చేస్తానికి వచ్చి 100 మందికి ఉద్యోగాన్ని ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఘనత ఏవి రావు గారికి దక్కింది. అలాంటి ఉత్తమమైనటువంటి వ్యక్తికి నేను ఈ రోజున 2 మాటలు మాట్లాడటానికి అవకాశం కల్పించినటువంటి కృష్ణమోహన్ గారు, అలాగే ప్రవీణ్ గారు, మరి బావగారు, అల్లుడి గారు, మా అమ్మగారు అందరి సమక్షంలో ఢిల్లీ వేదిక మీద మీ అందరి ముందు నిలబడేదానికి అవకాశం కల్పించినటువంటి, మీ అందరి ముందు నిలబడి మంచి విషయాలు ఆయన గురించి ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ఆ విధంగా ఎదగాలని, ఒక సామాన్యుడు అత్యున్నటువంటి స్థానానికి ఎదగాలంటే ఎంత ఓర్పు, కృషి, పట్టుదల, మానవ జీవితంలో మహోన్నతమైనటువంటి వ్యక్తిత్వానికి ఎదగాలంటే ఆ ఓర్పు, ఆ నైజం వారికి దక్కింది. వారు ఆత్మకు శాంతి చేకూరాలని, మరి మాకు ఆంధ్రాలో, నాది హైదరాబాదు, ఆంధ్రాలో 2 నిమిషాలు మౌనం పాటిస్తారు. ఇక్కడ మరి ఆచారం ఉన్నదో లేదో నాకు తెలియదు. మరి మౌనం పాటిద్దాము అంటే అందరూ ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు నిలబడితే మంచిదని చెప్పి, మౌనవ్రతం చేస్తే మంచిదని చెప్పి నా సూచనని మన్నించి మీరందరూ నిలబడ్డందుకు నేను ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. ఒక్క నిమిషం చేతులు జోడించి
We'll have 2 minutes of silence.
మౌనవ్రతం పూర్తయినది. ఆంధ్ర, తెలంగాణలో ఈ విధంగా జరపటం అలవాటు, సాంప్రదాయం కూడా ఉన్నది. వారు కూడా ఆంధ్రాలో జన్మించి ఢిల్లీ పట్టణంలో ఒక శక్తిగా ఎదిగి మీ అందరూ మన్ననలు పొందినందుకు, మీ అందరూ ప్రేమలో ఆయన నిలిచినందుకు, ఈ సభకు ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. జై వీర వెంకటేశ్వరరావు గారు. అంటే వెంకటేశ్వరరావు గారు అయినా వీర అనేది, ఆయన ఎందుకు వీర అనేది అనవలసి వచ్చిందంటే, తిరుమల తిరుపతి దేవస్థానంలో కూడా ఒక సభ్యుడైనందుకు ఆయన్ని వీర అనేటువంటి ఒక బిరుదును కూడా మనం చెప్పుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది. చాలా సంతోషం. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Now I would invite Mr. Babu Panikar ji.
नमस्कार। हम लोग सब बैठ के डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखने के बाद उनके बारे में और क्या बोलूं। नॉर्मली दिल्ली में उस साल में 1950 वगैरह में, उस साल में आने के बाद गवर्नमेंट की सरकारी नौकरी मिलने के बाद आदमी नॉर्मली अपने आप को सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है। उसके बाद भी अगर बिजनेस करने के लिए शुरू होना और भी वो ट्रेड टूरिज्म में सेलेक्ट करना, और साउथ से जैसे हमारी सुभाष गोयल जी ने बताया, साउथ से लोग आए, उनकी फैसिलिटी ईमानदारी से और अच्छे से बिजनेस करना, और वो बिजनेस में ऊंचाई तक पहुंचना और उसको आगे ले जाना, और उसका साथ साथ परिवार को अच्छा से परवरिश करना, उनको आगे ले जाना और उनको वैल्यूज़ देना और बिज़नेस को आगे ले जाने। मैं राव साहब को मेरे ख्याल में 82 में दिल्ली आया तब से मिला हूँ, और कृष्ण मोहन जी से मेरे ख्याल में 2000 में मिला हूँ। और मैं जब भी बिज़नेस में कोई टिप्स को और कोई अगर कोई ऐसे और कोई एडवाइस हो, जब भी दोनों ने, हमारे साथ कोई भेदभाव नहीं है, हर वक्त
ऑलवेज एक फैमिली जैसे हमारे साथ था। और राव साहब के साथ और मेरा पिताजी का सब संबंध था, और हम लोग सब एक ही बिजनेस में हैं। और उनका एक पर्सनालिटी अलग था, क्योंकि इतना आगे ले जाना, अपनी बिजनेस को सबसे आगे ले जाना, और बिजनेस वो भी नहीं, समाज को आगे ले जाना, समाज का साथ काम करना। जिसे अभी बताया, तिरुपति मंदिर में बोर्ड में आना, टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन में चेयरमैन बनना, और कॉलेज में और पोजीशन लेना, और सब चीज़ में अपनी एक जीवन में अपनी प्रेजेंस इस समाज में छोड़ कर जाना कितनी व्यक्ति को पॉसिबल है। ऐसे एक व्यक्तित्व है राव साहब। उनका जाने का जरूर समाज को बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान हुआ, और उनकी आत्मा जरूर भगवान के पास पहुंचा हुआ है। उनका आत्मा को शांति के लिए प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ, और परिवार को इस दुख की घड़ी को पार होने के लिए शक्ति दें। थैंक यू।
Now I would invite Mr. Suresh Babuji. Okay. So from the family, granddaughters will speak. So first of all, I would like to call Anya Alapati.
When I was much younger, my grandfather would come home every night, hand me a coin, pat me on the head, and call me a good boy. To that, he would earn a glare from me, and he would laugh in return. This became such a routine that I would wait by the door expectantly every single day. One evening, however, Tataya showed up with a box of coins. They were made of chocolate. Safe to say, I ate them by the morning, and I never got a chocolate coin again. Every person who knows my grandfather knows what a remarkable human being he was, and they understand his hardships and the name that he built for himself. But he was so much more than these accomplishments. He was a man who never said a lot, but had a heart of gold like the coins he used to give, and had determination unlike any other. The word legacy is defined by the dictionary as the long-lasting impact of particular events that took place in a person's life. Tataya's legacy of teachings is in the countless lives he's touched and the wisdom he's imparted. Although he's now no longer with us, Tataya's legacy lives in the stories my parents tell, the traditions we share, and to me, the knowledge that I will be his good boy forever. Today, we cherish his legacy and ensure that it lives in our hearts eternally. Thank you.
Now I will invite Soumya Alapati.
As we gather here today to remember my Dadaji, whom I lovingly call Tataya, it's evident that words can't capture this depth of our shared experiences and the bond we shared. Tataya to me is a source of joy, someone I playfully tease, cherishing his ability to find a cute chuckle even in the midst of seriousness. Despite this time being so hard, what's even harder is not being able to greet him every day, when I wake up and before I go to sleep. I miss witnessing his genuine joy in simple pleasures, from watching his favorite movie to savoring sweet treats or sharing cherished phrases. And out of all, what I miss the most is the way his gaze held a special warmth whenever it met mine. Tatya for me exemplifies humility, someone who believes in taking care of everyone and keeping the family together. Beyond his well-known achievements, during my recent interactions, I got reminded of his dedication to uplift underprivileged children, imparting the value of education. Emerging from a humble background himself, he understood the significance and actively contributed to shaping a better future for those less fortunate. In the spirit of continuing his legacy, I will ensure to embrace the principles he instilled in us, striving to make him proud. Today, let us remember Tatya not only for his accomplishments, but for the lasting impact he had on our lives. and the lives of those he touched through his selfless endeavors. Thank you.
So we'll conclude this prayer meeting with Shanti Path. I request everybody to close their eyes. Om Dyav ShantirantarikshamShanti Prithvi Shantirapah Shantiroshadhayat Shantihi Vanaspatayah Shantir Vishve Deva Shantir Brahma Shantihi Sarvam Shantihi Shantireva Shantihi Sama Shantiredhi Om Shantihi 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 Om. पहले फैमिली पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करेंगे. विल ऑफर फ्लावर्स एंड देन आप सभी अपने पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करने के लिए परिवार के मुख्य सदस्य एक पंक्ति में खड़े होंगे और आप सभी के लिए जलपान की व्यवस्था है. आप उसे प्रसाद के रूप में अवश्य ग्रहण करके जाएंगे. धन्यवाद.